Meaning of garb.
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 Garb. The word garb typically refers to clothing or dress, often of a distinctive style or for a particular purpose. It can also refer to a person's overall appearance or demeanor. In modern usage, the term can sometimes have negative connotations, suggesting a false or contrived image or presentation. However, historically, garb has been used to distinguish different levels of society, professions, and religious orders. Whether positive or negative, the term garb implies intentional dressing or styling to achieve a desired effect, whether that be practical, symbolic, or aesthetic.